Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Govee Lyra Floor Lamp. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and delete your Govee Lyra Floor Lamp because you're getting rid of it. Maybe you don't use it all too often. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into the Govee Home App. Next, click on your floor lamp. Then on the upper right hand corner, click on the gear icon. Then scroll down and click on Delete Device. Now you're going to receive a confirmation. Click on Yes, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete your Govee Lyra Floor Lamp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.